As we just watched, idioms are phrases that do not mean exactly what they say. So here are some of the common idioms that some of you may have heard or possibly may have used. Hit the hay, which means to go to bed. It doesn't literally mean you're going to go find a stack of hay and hit it. Tie the knot means to get married. I have not really heard of this one. Eat crow, to have to admit that you made a mistake. Bent out of shape, your body does not physically get bent in weird positions. It just means to feel upset or annoyed about something. This is another one that I'm not really familiar with, but you may be. Pie in the sky, something you hope will happen, but is very unlikely. Bad egg, someone who behaves in a dishonest way. Buy a lemon, to buy something that doesn't work well. A drop in the bucket, a very small or unimportant amount. Couch potato, someone who sits around and watches too much TV. To kill two birds with one stone means to solve two problems at once with one action. A few others that you may recognize are horse of a different color, hot dog, I'm all ears, and hot water in the same boat. It cost an arm and a leg. It's in the bag, let the cat out of the bag. We saw that one with Tim and Moby. Missed the boat, mumbo jumbo, night owl, out of the blue, patch with flying colors, raining cats and dogs. I know we're very familiar with that one. See eye to eye when pigs fly. On this next slide, you are going to listen to this story titled My Mama Likes to Say, where we are going to hear a lot of idioms and see them in a literal perspective. As you see here, the cat literally has his tongue, which looks pretty gross. So I think this is a pretty fun book.